Welcome to our web log analysis series. In this session, we will create web. So, what is web? Web is an application firewall that lets us monitor HTTP and HTTPS requests that are forwarded to either CloudFront or API gateway or application load balancer. So suppose if in web we will create some policy, and based on that we will make some action. So suppose if that IP is blocking, so what web will do, it will give us 403 forbidden error. Also, what is the need of web? So what happened in your suppose if you are hosting any web application or anything, so what you will do, if you launch any EC2 machine, so on EC2 machine you are only adding some security group and network ACL, and what it will do, it is also a firewall, but it works on network layer. But what happen if someone attacks on our web layer? So suppose if users are making some SQLi or cross-site scripting attack, so for that, and also DOS and DDoS attack, so for that AWS web will responsible for making this request. And in this, like suppose this is our web, it will protect our applications from common web exploits, and we will attach web into CloudFront load application load balancer and API gateway. For this, what we need to do, we need to create policy, and this in policy, either we can use our self policy or we can also use AWS marketplace, and based on certain policy we can either block it or we can allow these policies, and also we can monitor this all request into our CloudWatch metrics. And suppose for logging also we can enable web logging. So let's go for demo. Here it is our application load balancer. Search for web. Here we need to create one web ACL. Create web ACL. It will be our web demo. Description no need, it also no need. And suppose here resource type, if we want to configure a web into our CloudFront, then we need to use this one. Otherwise, we suppose if we want to use web under application load balancer or API gateway, then we need to choose this one. It will be web demo. Region is our Ohio, and add resources, application load balancer. Then this is what we created in previous lecture, web demo. We need to add this one, and next here what we can do, we can here create rules, and in by default you can only use 1.5k web rule. Otherwise, like suppose web will not allowed more than this rule, because what happened, like suppose if you are making lots of filtering for your web application, so what a user will face high latency for reaching to your web browser. In rules, what we can do, add my own rules. and here what we are doing, we are creating our rule builder, and it will be our country restriction. It will be regular rule. Okay, matches the condition. Impact originates from country. Here, like suppose choose IP set. Wait, no, here we need to origin. Here here we need to choose India. So, and here like suppose not. So here what it will do, so if a request originate from country, then and suppose if a request doesn't match origin country from India, on that case we will block this request. Yeah, that's it. Next, it will be our priority. Next, it is CloudWatch matrix name. Next, review, it is our name. It is scope regional. Rules, only currently we are using only one country restriction rule. Block, yeah, that's it. Create. So this is our web application DNS. So here it is showing us WebWorks. It will take little time to create this web ACL. Here it is created. Click on this. Here also we can able to see this graph. So suppose currently I am in India, so this web will work for me. But suppose if I on VPN and change my country to US, on that case it will show me 403 error. Let's check this one. See, 403 forbidden error, because my request is not coming from India. Also what we can do here, like suppose if we want to make some more rules, then this will be our country restriction. Add my own managed rule. Here like suppose IP set, no, the rule builder, it will be our black listed IP regular rate based rule. And suppose here we are providing 100 as a limit. So suppose what will happen, in interval of 5 minutes, if any users are getting are hitting more than 100 requests, then what it will do, it will block its IP. And here it's all add rule. Also here we need to country restriction, no, we need to first check this one. So move it up and save. So what it will do, first it will check this blacklisted rule. If it is not, then it will check this country restriction rule. If both are not cases, on that case it will allow our request. So for checking this, Let's refresh this. See, currently WAP is working. So now what I am doing in this, for I in 1 to 150 do curl to our this request. No, first to echo $I in next line curl, then our this response, then done. So what it will do, it will request 150 times for our this web DNS, sorry, ALB DNS. Okay, yeah, here. So after some time, like after this reaches 200, on that case what we will get, we will get 403 forbidden error. So let's wait for that time. Eighty, 81, and also in this dashboard you can also see all requests here, and also what rules it is filtering. So currently here we are getting one web demo allowed request. If we come here, okay, it is as web works. Let's check. Okay, I think our policy is not yet updated. Okay, okay, it is not working. Okay, yeah, because first suppose what is happening, it is blocking our request, but this country restriction is allowing our request. So what we need to do, we need to edit this rule. Save rule. Here we need to make it down. Now it will work. Yeah, see here 403, because in this period we already make lots of requests. If I try through browser also, I will get this 403 error. So suppose what is happening here, if I am suppose if I am a developer and I am doing any script into my production server, on that time it will also block my IP, but I don't want this. So what we will do, we will create one whitelisted rule set. So for this we need to check our own IP. This is our IP, and under this we need to come under IP sets, and in this we need to create one IP set. It will be white listed IP slash 32 create IP set, and come again to web ACL, come under this, under rules we need to add one our own rules. IP set, it will be our white listed IP. White, we need to choose this, and if source IP is this, on that case we need to allow. That's it. I whitelisted my IP, so suppose if I again refresh this, it will work for me. Wait. Okay, country restriction blacklist IP, it is blocking, then it is allowing, so we need to make it on up. Its priority will be first. So if I come again, if I refresh this, I think it is not refreshing. Wait for a while. Yeah, see here, web works. So suppose if I again make this query, I will not get any 403 forbidden error, because I whitelisted my IP for all the requests, and web application will able to get me all my requests. And also, what are the benefits of using web? Web is for web we need to on for web we need to only pay only what we use. The pricing is based on how many rules we are deploying and how many web requests are receiving to our web application. Yeah, that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will enable this logging, and also we will create Elasticsearch cluster for processing these logs.